Welcome back to my channel where we explore various ways to make money online and achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we will be sharing the ultimate guide on how to make money online. Whether you are a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to supplement your income, we have got you covered. So let's dive right in. Choose your niche. The first step in making money online is choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This could be anything from blogging, affiliate marketing, freelancing, or even creating and selling your own products. Selecting a niche you are passionate about will make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Build your online presence. Once you have decided on your niche, it's time to build your online presence. Start by creating a website or a blog to establish your online presence. Optimize it for search engines and create high quality content that adds value to your target audience. Additionally, leverage social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage your community. Monetize your content. Now that you have your online platform set up, let's talk about monetizing your content. One popular method is through advertising networks like Google AdSense, which displays ads on your websites or blog. You can also explore sponsored content where brands pay you to promote their products or services. Another option is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. Create and sell digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another excellent way to make money online. This could be ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or even software. Utilize your expertise and package it into a valuable digital product that people are willing to pay for it. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Etsy can help you sell your digital products effectively. Offer freelance services. If you have a specific skill set, freelancing can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or translator, there are numerous opportunities to offer your skills and earn money on a project basis. Explore dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping and e-commerce have gained immense popularity in recent years. With dropshipping, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier handles the fulfillment. Alternatively, you can create your own products and sell them through an e-commerce platform like Shopify. Conclusion: making money online requires dedication, patience, and consistent effort. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Start by choosing your niche, building your online presence, and exploring various monetization methods. The opportunities are endless, so go out there and start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling. Thank you for watching today's video on how to make money online. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in comments below. Remember, the power to change your financial future lies in your hands. Stay tuned for more exciting content and we will see you in the next video.